Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Patagon's mobile game opening speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to do the speed test. But in this method I'll try to do two different kind of techniques. One without using any GT mode and with using GT mode. Same thing applies for the OnePlus Nord 2 with using high performance mode and without using high performance mode. So both phones they do have the high boosting gaming performance, so that's the reason I'm trying to mention to you. Right now all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection, because that's also very important thing you should know. So as you can see, both phones same kind of Wi-Fi connection, 2.4 GHz only. All the apps are completely clear. And now let me try to start the Patagon's mobile games test. 1 2 1 3. Let's see which phone can actually open fast without any GT mode, without any high performance mode. I'm just gonna see how much difference it's gonna make between these both phones. That's my main point of making this kind of video. So another thing you should definitely understand, in the OnePlus Nord 2, if there is no high performance mode, the phone will take a lot of time. The Realme GT did log in around 21 seconds, the Realme GT Neo 2, and then the OnePlus Nord 2 also did log in. Little bit kind of time it took. As you can see clearly, slightly kind of time it did take. Now let me need to use the GT mode. And now let's go to the battery and let's use the high performance mode. So all the apps are completely cleared, and now let's start doing the same kind of test. Let's see how much fast the OnePlus Nord 2 can be there using the high performance mode. So as I said, the OnePlus Nord 2 will definitely perform like incredibly good in the high performance mode most of the times. But can this beat Realme GT Neo 2 or not? So I think this got logged out just now. So sorry for this kind of disturbance. Sometimes the accounts get automatically logged out, friends. I'm not sure why, for some reason. So before you did see it did log in, but now it did not log in. They got logged out. Sorry. So I did click slightly kind of first. So no running background applications, 1 2 and 3. Yes. Now it should be kind of good thing to go. So using GT mode and using high performance mode, how much difference it gonna make? So now very close. As you can see the difference, nothing much huge difference at this moment using GT mode and the high performance mode. And the first phone to open is Realme GT Neo 2 and then the OnePlus Nord 2. It took only 1 second more time in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can clearly see, friends, what is happening. So that's the reason I'm trying to mention every time when I'm trying to do this kind of speed test between using this OnePlus Nord 2. So I'm not trying to use the high performance mode sometimes I'm trying to use the high performance mode. So it makes a lot of difference in the OnePlus Nord 2 if you're trying to use this kind of settings. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review on this OnePlus Nord 2 speed test comparison, so which has been requested by a few of my users. That's the reason I thought of making a video. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's read more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.